Okay, so let's go with the basic example. Let's say we want to create a sheet for what we spent in the year. So let's say we purchased the article A, B, C, and D. And now from those articles we purchased, some of them was in Canadian dollar and the other one was in US dollars. So the first article ad cost $10, the other one has cost 45 US dollars, the other one 13 US dollars, and the last one 6 US dollars. After that, we're gonna create a subtotal section to make the sum of all of these, and then there's gonna be a subtitle converted section. And finally, we're gonna create a total section. So what we want to have here is the sum of those two numbers. So we're gonna come in that case, type equal in capital sum, and automatically Google Sheet will select what's over it. So we now have the 23. Now we want to do the same thing with that one, so equal sum, always in capital, and again we have the sum of those numbers. What we can do now is to select this and say it's dollars, and this too is dollars, and we can be more precise by selecting it again, and we now go in format, number, US dollar, and no, this is Canadian, so more currencies, and we're gonna look for Canadian dollar. Just right here. And we're gonna hit apply and select that one, return in format, number. Now the last one we selected was Canadian dollar, so we go back in more format and select the US dollars. Well, for that case, there is nothing to convert, so we're gonna say it's equal this section, so we just click on it. And now if we change number above it, well, it will calculate everything down there. And now what we want to do here is to convert that 51 US dollars in Canadian dollar. So we're gonna come in that box and select equal GoogleFinance, parentheses, quotation mark, currencies, colon, USD, which is the shortcut for US dollars, and CAD, which is the shortcut for Canadian dollars. So this is USD to CAD, quotation mark, and close the parentheses. So what we can see here is the actual conversion in real time. So we're gonna change that. So after the equal, we're gonna select the box that we want to convert, and we're gonna multiply it by the GoogleFinance calculator. So this is kind of fantastic, because what we have here is the $51 multiplied by the actual conversion just right now. The number can change at any moment. This is the actual conversion right now. So right now I can change my $6 for another amount, so let's say $10, and as you can see, it have sum everything and calculate it with the actual conversion just right now. As simple as that. So finally, we're gonna create the sum of our converted currencies with so for the Canadian and the US dollars, which create 98 and 58 just right now. So again, if I change the last number in the US dollars, you will see everything will happen just right away.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you, or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!